everyone! Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! What? Oh! Baby Truck, wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals. We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You were so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye!
There you go, Eric. All better now. What was that? Oh, it's Max, the monster truck. He shouldn't be playing here. Construction sites are dangerous. Look at all the mess Max is causing. Oh no, Max has run out of fuel. We've got to get him out before that concrete dries. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch the spare fuel. Oh dear, that concrete will be hard in less than a minute. Oh! Oh, how on earth are we going to get the extra fuel over to Max? Oh, Eric's made a bridge! The concrete's almost set! Go, Max, go! Looks like Max has learned his lesson. Thanks, Max. Another panic over. See you next time. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. It's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan, Green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in. Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you.